Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky Mugambi. I do commercial modeling and any other shenanigans. Um, basically. So on here, you're going to learn how to make money through commercial modeling. So how much do commercial models earn, or how much do commercials pay? I have someone in my shop, so I'm going to pause and I'm going to come back. So yes, I am back. I have just gone to my shop to sell real quick, and then I came back. So basically, commercial modeling pays between 50,000 and 2.5 million shillings, depending on who you are and what the brand is. So you might be a famous person that with a lot of traction, so that will give you, if it depends on your following as well. So yeah, I'll explain that in the next video where I talk in depth about commercial modeling. Hiyo nduthi tu imeamua tu. Aya, sasa, so you enjoyed this video, even though I know I might get sued for uploading it before the advert is out. Yeah, bye. Nairobi, 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 Nairobi. I was unable to record the day one of auditions, but I was able to record a teeny bit of day two of auditions, and this is where I was being directed.
Wait, just do more face before you even go to. Yeah. Just look at the clothes. Look.
After auditions, I had 2 days of fitting. The first day was just fitting and checking what does not fit, and then the second day was fixing whatever was not fitting the day earlier. Don't I look like your auntie from Ushago? I look like samurai auntie. airport. There's grass in the airport. Mambo. Wow. As the rest were doing their TVC, I began with a photo shoot for the print ad, and then later we did the TVC for my part. Shoot day 2, we did my TVC. The difference between the TVC and a print advert is just basically one is motion picture and another one is still. Still is used for billboards, magazines, newspapers, whatever, and then motion picture is used for TV and any other platform that allows motion picture. Good morning, humans.
Morning,
Leo tuko papo. Leo ni papo. The yellow. My house. Nyumba yangu iko na mlango. Sikanyage. Oh, can I move around?
Kasa, 96.
Ah. I did not manage to record much of my TVC and how I was being directed and how I was doing it because, of course, I was in front of this scene. All work and no play makes Vicky a dull girl. So let us play. When I was a child, I used to play with water, trying to make form like the way I see it on TVCs. But now it's being done for me. Yes. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. But very
Aggressive.
But give it a spell.
Sound.
Yes, stand by.
Oh. Which one do you have today? Purple or yellow? Yellow. And then lavender nimgan. Hey, lavender. Hey. Are you getting ready? Are you ready? Esther. Yes. Are you ready to slay this thing?
I'm ready. 100.
I'll go kill it. Yes. I killed it more. So you're going to bury it.
I'm going to bury it now. Got you. Love you.
Sawa. One job. Aya. BTS. Mambo. Ni mko hapa bado? Aya. Brian. Kisogo yako tu ndio inashine kwa nini? The award winning gaffer. Nakuchokoza wewe ukiwa busy. Award winning
gaffer. One and only.
Mtoto wako sasa najua unafanyanga nini job? Kazi yako ni gani?
Wanajua. Mimi huwa shamba talent kwa sasa. Naona hiyo job imewindalia watu.
Imekupatia ma awards. Aya. Nilijua. So. I kinda knew it.